price dumps to the lower side of the indicator. I've marked it with a green circle. And if you're holding SUI, stop scrolling. This is important. SUI is trending everywhere right now. Timelines are full of calls saying a breakout and a new all-time high is coming. But the chart is telling a very different story, and almost nobody is talking about it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's happening on the SUI chart, the key level most traders are ignoring, and why this move could catch a lot of people on the wrong side. If you're holding SUI, this might save you from a costly mistake and position you for a much better entry that could potentially double your profits on the next move. Watch till the end. The most important level is at the end of this breakdown. Before we go ahead, a quick note. There are a few strategies and scalping setups I don't share publicly. Not because they're secret for hype, but because markets run on liquidity. If everyone uses the exact same setup, it simply stops working. That's why I keep my best leverage and spot setups inside the VIP group. If you were in the group back in October 2025, you know I called the crash with dates in advance. I'm not claiming 100% accuracy, no one can, but you can judge my consistency from the free setups I post. You can literally verify the before and after yourself. We don't post fake profit or loss screenshots. We don't lock you into expensive 6-month or 1-year plans. And we definitely don't charge thousands of dollars. We keep it simple and affordable. $6 plan, $15 mid plan, covers almost everything, $30 full access plan. There's also a 15% discount running for May 2026. Use the code shown on the screen. I've already shared a rough roadmap for May and what to expect. And honestly, something big is shaping up in the crypto market. If you want to be positioned before that move happens, check the links in the pinned comment and join us. The group is limited to 300 members. Once it's full, it will be closed. Now, let's get to the chart. If you take the 1-year data of SUI, you can see it has been trading inside this channel. Back in October, we saw a huge crash. SUI was trading above $4, and within a few days, it crashed hard below 80 cents, creating a local bottom around 80 cents. And now it is pumped to almost $1.40. Some traders are claiming it will break out from here and create a new all-time high. But here's why I think they're wrong. If you check this Fibonacci indicator, you can see the best buying zone is always when the price dumps to the lower side of the indicator. I've marked it with a green circle. And every single time SUI has pumped above the top of this channel, it has dumped hard after that. Now look at the latest price action. SUI has already pumped above the top channel, which clearly indicates it has entered the overbought zone, which means smart traders are going to start booking profits from here. The minimum dump, based on this indicator, points toward 90 cents, but it could get worse. Let's switch to another chart. SUI has broken out of the daily resistance, which means as long as it stays above this level, there is around a 70% probability it taps the best case zone between $1.60 and $1.70. But honestly, I don't think it's worth the risk to chase this pump, because we are already in the profit booking zone. And unfortunately, the dump can start directly from here as well. Once the dump starts and we fall back below the daily resistance, there is a very high probability, around 90%, that SUI drops below $1 within the next 30 to 50 days. In the worst case, it could even drop toward the 0.44 to 0.66 range. I know this sounds impossible right now, but it is very much possible. The worst case scenario has less than a 10% probability, but it's not impossible. Flash dumps do happen, and you cannot ignore the possibility of a 50% crash from here, because we are always at the mercy of market makers during volatile phases. So, in my opinion, the bottom for SUI might already be in, the zone we saw earlier. And after one final flush, SUI could eventually move back toward the $3 to $4 range in the coming months. But that final flush is very important, and it will come sooner or later. If your investment is above $1 and you're holding a large position, you need to be very careful in May. It's hard to catch the exact bottom. That's why I personally use 2 strategies: trade by charts, trade by timeline. This combination works very well for me. And if you don't want to stress your brain, you can join our private group, where I try my best to alert members in advance. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please like the video and subscribe. I share practical, realistic analysis, not moonboy targets, and you can see the results yourself. Also, don't forget to comment your personal targets for SUI. Let's see who gets it right.
Bills, minting coins, digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining rigs hung